Withdrawing money from a Bitcoin ATM involves the following steps. Locate a Bitcoin ATM. Use online maps or directories to find a Bitcoin ATM near your location. Bitcoin ATMs are physical machines that allow you to buy or sell Bitcoin. Verify identity. Some Bitcoin ATMs may require identity verification, especially if you're selling Bitcoin for cash. Be prepared to provide your mobile number or ID documents. Select Withdraw Cash. Choose the option to withdraw cash or a similar command on the Bitcoin ATM's interface. Enter amount. Specify the amount of cash you want to withdraw in either Bitcoin or your local currency, depending on the ATM's options. Scan or enter wallet address. If you're withdrawing Bitcoin, scan the QR code of your Bitcoin wallet or enter the wallet address manually. If you're withdrawing cash, you may need to provide a withdrawal process. Insert cash. If you're selling Bitcoin, insert the equivalent amount of cash into the Bitcoin ATM. Confirm transaction. Review the details, including the withdrawal amount and transaction fees. Confirm the transaction. Receive cash or Bitcoin. Once the transaction is confirmed, the Bitcoin ATM will dispense the cash or send Bitcoin to your specified wallet address.